DIY Cutwork neck dot piece tutorial. Measuring and drawing the pattern. Width, measure and mark 1.8 inches. Length, measure and mark 0.9 inches. Get straight line. Draw a curved shape line along the marked line. Now, cut it. Take Furrian paper. Neck piece width, dot measure and mark for 0.8 inches. Neck piece length, dot measure and mark 5 inches. Fold or divide the cutwork piece to find the midpoint. Transfer the design dot to the neck piece paper by aligning it with the marked margin. Measure and mark a 0.5 inches margin on the neck piece pattern paper. Now, cut the neck piece pattern along the margin. Now, cut the neck piece cutwork design. An elegant cutwork neck piece cutting done. Attach the paper pattern on fabric by iron. Cut out an extra piece of fabric. Measure fabric width 12 inches. Length 8 inches. Place it under the main fabric. Now, stitch it. Sew the cutwork design, catching both fabrics. Trim excess fabric for a neat finish. Make small cuts along fabric edges for a neat finish. Flipping the design inside out after sewing and cutting. Measuring to inches. For hand stitches to enhance the look of the backside of the design. It's time to start hand stitching. Let's stitch the top side of the design for a neat finish. Stitch along the edges for a polished look. Attach beads along cutworks for a beautiful finish. Final look of the neck design piece and arms cutwork design. Elegant final look.